In this lesson, I want to talk about Synthesia, which is an AI tool that's going to help companies replace the traditional video production talking head videos with an AI created counterpart. So let's check out this website. So essentially this site has different video template avatars, all with a different goal in mind. You can create a sales pitch, you can create learning and development videos, and you can create how-to videos, all with different branding and aesthetics and a AI person speaking on screen. So let's go ahead and paste in 2 sentences that I generated from ChatGPT about meditation, and we'll go ahead and generate this video example. So now we have our AI generated narrator that's ready to speak using Synthesia.
Meditation has been shown to have numerous benefits for both the mind and body. Firstly, it can help reduce stress and anxiety by calming the mind and promoting relaxation.
So I would highly recommend, if this type of application is perfect for your business, then for you to pay for a membership to the site so you can get all of the different avatars, backgrounds, and different capabilities for your projects.